Hi guys, welcome back to Cartex. Back on my ID.4 and I will explain how to use the remote parking function on the car. Well, to use the remote parking function you need a remote park assist app on your telephone. Download it. Yeah, it's really easy. The app says what to do. You click on ID family if it's an ID car. You go in the car to park, then setup, and you have all the way over here the automated parking. If you press that button, you get a QR code you need to scan with the remote parking app, and then let's see what it does. Guys, just a minute. I had a cooperation with a guy named Yuri Accessories, and I got a little action for you guys. Always hassle with a place for your sunglasses, etc. Well, these two things for your parking ticket. There's also this guy. Yuri Accessories made this stuff. You can just put it here inside and you have a little box for your sunglasses, parking tickets, etc. Really handy, really cool. They also make glow in the dark pieces for your heater buttons, etc. I put a link in the description to the website of Yuri Accessories, and I got a little discount code for you guys. With Cartex 15 you will get 15% off your first order. So if the app is started, you've configured the car, you'll get this sort of starting menu, and it says the car is in radius. You press parking start, accept, you press and hold the start button, and you can now just press, well, let's go in the front, you press this, and your car is moving. You need to be at around 4 meters from the car to adjust it. You can also stop it again. And if you go a bit further, if it's parked, the app says ready to be taken over. You press end and you're done. And of course, it goes also backwards, not only forwards. And of course you can also go to the left or the right, as long as the car drives and you stay near the car around 2 or 4 meters, then the car does it by itself. Well guys, the remote park assist, as you guys see, forward and backward works great. Yeah, maybe it needs a bit of practice. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, and until next time guys. Well guys, the remote park assist on the new ID models also works on the Touareg and some other cars. So it's a fun part. It's a party trick to let your friends watch it, etc. Everybody is surprised that a car can drive itself. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, and until next time guys.